guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we'll be exploring town called Naromoru. Naromoru is a town in between Nairobi and Nanyuki. Yeah, it's a town at the Great North Road. I'm currently at Total Energies in Naromoru. So as you can see at the back, behind me there, here, you can see Total Energies. So I'll be showing you around this town. It's not a very big town, but I'll be taking you through some of the major amenities here in town. So we'll be exploring around stages around the side. Those are the banks. Yeah, so then behind me, those are cars coming from the Nairobi direction. They are heading towards Nanyuki. So you're going to follow this and that is the petrol station, and I'll show you through. The northern corridor. So you're now at the junction. Yeah, so guys, we have closed the road. So Naromoru is known for its recreation. It's a major recreation center. And also Nanyuki is one of the major tourist centers. It has some of the major tourist attractions in this part of the country. So as you can see, that is the stage over there. So that is where the stage is. Close the road, and I'm going to show you the direction of the mountain. I'm going to show you Mount Kenya. So located near Mount Kenya. this other direction, as I told you, this is the Nairobi direction. This is Nairobi. Pass out from Nairobi. So that is the stage over there, or the bus stage. So guys, as you can see, yeah, so we are now at the petrol station, Total petrol station. You can see we are at the petrol station. We'll be traveling from here to the petrol station. Yeah, so the petrol station is behind me over there. You can see it over there. And we'll now be heading towards the market center. Yeah, so you get to see the market center. So kindly subscribe, share, yeah, and comment this video. We are going to get to this restaurant. There's a restaurant over here. Yeah. We are going to buy some snacks over here. So we have come from the restaurant. Just come from the restaurant. I was buying some snacks. Yeah. Here in Kenya we call it samosa. That is the name. Yeah, so that is the name of the restaurant over there. This one over there. You can see it. So I will be proceeding to the supermarket, and we can buy something. Supermarket. So, but before we get to the supermarket, show you some roadside shops over here. So this is the center of the town of Naromoru Town. So the supermarket is in front of me over there. That is the supermarket over there. So this road is just one of the main roads in town, and it heads to the railway station. One of the private hospitals here in town. So these are residential buildings. There are some roadside markets over here. They are in the background, as you can see, on this side and on this other side. Yeah, so their business is excellent. Yeah, so even these people literally sell at the roadside. Here we are the other side of the town. Yeah, so towards this direction, as you can see, it's where I've come from. That is the hospital road. Yeah, behind me, this is the direction. This one is towards the major road. Yeah, then on the end, that one is the supermarket. That goes across the road. Yeah, and I'm going to head to the supermarket so that we can buy some snacks in the supermarket. So. See, this market is just ahead of me. So I've just bought some of the items over here, as you can see. Yeah, so it's already night time, so I'll be finalizing. There's a blackout over here. So these are some of the electrical shops. Other businesses over here. Thank you so much for watching my video. So until next time, please subscribe, share, comment and like. Bye bye. Adios.